This has never happened in social media. It just never has. You can master this one craft, and by mastering that one craft, you can grow across all platforms. So to me, it's pretty fascinating because you like if you play your cards right, you can grow on every single platform, which is wild.
What you heard just now is true. Short-form content is the new meta. Big creators like Mr. Beast and almost every other creator are focusing on short-form content more than anything. The rise of TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts has made banks for people all over the world. The amount of virality and reach short-form content has is wild. To further add, YouTube is currently pushing new creators extremely hard, so now is definitely a chance to grow, as this is a once-in-lifetime opportunity. But what if I told you it's easier than ever to do this with zero effort? Yes.
Nice.
Zero efforts. And this is possible due to the new AI tool we will look at today, which does everything for you. I'm going to show you how you can make 100K by only uploading AI-generated shorts. I'm about to give a secret tool for creating instant shorts from YouTube videos. Now the first question is, how the heck do you find what to make shorts on? Well, the easiest way is to first select a niche you are actually interested or invested in to make it more sustainable for you, or just go with a niche which is trending like influencer boxing, red pill content, new podcasts, etc. Then, once you identify the niche, it's time to find what's trending in your niche. For this, I use Google Trends to see what's popular on the internet and on YouTube. You can type in any topic related to your niche and see how it's performing over time. Or I just go through the trending tab on YouTube or TikTok to see what's happening and find a creator, video, or channel that's getting a lot of engagement and views. And then a tool called Opus Clip comes into the play. Opus Clip is an AI tool that can take any long YouTube video you have and cut it into short shorts in just one click. And what makes it special is that it finds the viral moments from the video, adds captions, and edits it itself, and makes a short for you. So you don't have to go through the entire video looking for viral moments and then edit it. It does all that for you in a few touches. Sounds awesome, right? Well, let me show you how easy it is to use Opus Clip. All you need to do is paste a URL of the video you found, which is getting views on the Opus Clip website. Then, hit generate and wait for a few minutes while Opus Clip does its magic. Once Opus Clip is done processing your video, it will show you a list of short video clips that it has created for you. You can preview each clip and see its virality score, which is based on Opus Clip's analysis of thousands of viral videos. You can also edit each clip if you want to make any changes or adjustments. When you're happy with your short video clip, you can download it or share it directly to every social media platform that exists. And if you are worried that you might get a copyright strike, listen to what Mr. Beast said.
Clip my videos. React to my videos on your Twitch stream, your whatever stream. Clip my videos, put it on TikTok. I don't care. Just make sure you get views.
So most creators don't have a problem with it, as it helps their brand grow as long as you give them credit. And if you want to make it even more hooking, you can add your gameplay videos or any other videos of your liking to increase retention. And the last step is just to be consistent and wait. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create viral short videos. Opus Clip is a game changer for content creators who want to leverage the power of short-form video content in 2023. It can help you save time, money, and effort while creating high-quality and engaging shorts that can boost your social media presence and income. Now, it might be a bit costly, but it's definitely worth it. So if you want to try Opus Clip for yourself, I've put the link in the description. Now, this video was more focused on how to make shorts with no effort, but if you want to know all the ways you can monetize your videos and make an insane amount of money, type money in the comments. That being said, like and subscribe to the channel for more videos on making money using AI. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Guys, easy way to make money.
Yeah.